Ndeyo. Welcome back. Remember in my previous video, I told you that I will be explaining the edemede Igbo in my subsequent videos. So today I will be explaining one of the edemede Igbo. In today's class, I will still be mixing English and Igbo like I do, in order for the non-speakers to understand and for me to achieve my educational aim and objective. So today we'll be discussing akara edemede Igbo. Nke mbụ 1, which is akara kpọm full stop. Akara kpọm full stop. We use full stop in so many ways, not in one way. We use full stop in so many ways. I'll still be explaining the so many ways with example for you to understand the ways that we also make use of full stop. 1. It shows the end of a sentence. It shows the end of a sentence. In Igbo, a na-etinye kpọm na njedebe ahịrịokwu. A na-etinye kpọm na njedebe ahịrịokwu. This is the primary aim most times that we use full stop. The primary way that we use full stop. When a sentence is finished, we put full stop. Example: Ada is fair. Ada dị ọcha. Ada dị ọcha. Another example: Okoro and Obi are friends. Okoro and Obi are friends. Okoro na Obi bụ enyi. Okoro na Obi bụ enyi. Another way that we use full stop. Number 2. We add full stop to differentiate educational credentials. We add full stop to different educational credentials. So many educational qualifications, we add full stop to them. In Igbo, a na-etinye kpọm n'etiti nzere dị iche iche. A na-etinye kpọm n'etiti nzere dị iche iche. Example: ọmụmaatụ. Example is ọmụmaatụ. Ọmụmaatụ: BSc, PhD, HND, OND. 3. It is used when writing money in figure, like naira and kobo. When you write money in figure, where there is kobo, you must add full stop to differentiate between the one that is naira and the one that is kobo. In Igbo, a na-etinye ya mgbe a na-edepụta mkpụrụ ego dịka naira na kobo. Example: 5 naira 60 kobo. 5 naira 60 kobo. 100 naira 2 kobo. 100 naira 2 kobo. 4. We add full stop while writing different school acronym. We add full stop while writing different school acronym, which is in Igbo. A na-etinye kpọm n'etiti na ngwụsị aha ụlọ akwụkwọ dị iche iche. A na-etinye kpọm n'etiti na ngwụsị aha ụlọ akwụkwọ dị iche iche. Example: UNN, University of Nigeria Nsukka, AIMSU, Imo State University, and so many other examples. 5. We add full stop while writing organization acronym. Some of the organizations acronym, while writing them, you add full stop. In Igbo, a na-etinye kpọm n'aha otu dị iche iche. A na-etinye kpọm n'aha otu dị iche. Oh, I've said the university acronym. 6. A na-etinye kpọm n'aha ụlọ ọrụ dị iche iche. A na-etinye kpọm n'aha ụlọ ọrụ dị iche iche. We add full stop to various companies. We add full stop to various companies acronym. Example, which is ọmụmaatụ: UBA, UBA, NEPA, NEPA. The next one, we add full stop to different acronym, to different business acronym. We add full stop to different business acronym. In Igbo, a na-etinye kpọm n'ụlọ ahịa dị iche iche. A na-etinye kpọm n'ụlọ ahịa dị iche iche. A na-etinye kpọm n'ụlọ ahịa dị iche iche. We add full stop to different business acronym like SLOMI, Success Lake Musical Instruments, and any other business that you know that acronym is used to shorten the name of the business. And this business that we use acronym to shorten, it must be a registered business, as we know. Excuse me. The next one, we add full stop to professional or educational qualification acronym. We add full stop to professional or educational qualification acronym. Some professional, some your status, your qualification. We add full stop to those acronyms while writing them. Example, doctor. Excuse me. You know, we write doctor in short form. DR. Doctor. Another example, prof. In Igbo, we call it ọkammụta. Ọkammụta. Mrs. In Igbo, we call them odoziakụ. Odoziakụ. Mr. In Igbo, we call them Maazị. Maazị. Another way that we use acronym, we add full stop. Sorry that we use full stop. We add full stop to someone's name that is not written in full. We add full stop to someone's name that is not written in full. In Igbo, a na-etinye kpọm n'aha mmadụ edebiri edebi. A na-etinye kpọm n'aha mmadụ edebiri edebi. Example, which is ọmụmaatụ: Okafor JC. Okafor JC. Ọnụọha UE. Ọnụọha UE. So while writing your name and you want to write it in an acronym, in a short form, whereby you use your acronym, your initials of your first name and your second name. You write your surname, then your first and second name. You take the first alphabet and use the full stop while writing them. The last and not but the least, we add full stop when months, while writing months of the year in short form. If we are writing months of the year in short form, we add full stop. In Igbo, we say, a na-etinye kpọm na mkpirisi aha ọnwa. Example, which is ọmụmaatụ: Jan, which is January. January, Jan. September, in the short form, Sept. February, which is Feb in short form. These are the ways that we use this acronym. In my subsequent video, I will still explain another Akara edemede Igbo so that it will not be long and you will enjoy the class. Thank you for staying tuned. Daalụ. Ka ọ dị.